Hi, this is Dr. Ravi Ranjan. I graduated from National University of Singapore in 2019. I joined V-Flow Tech in 2021, and we as a V-Flow Tech, we are working towards having a greener future. Currently, we are developing flow batteries, vanadium redox flow batteries, and our products are in the range of 5 kilowatt to all the way to megawatt scale. So currently, if you will see around, there are so many energy solutions available in the market. So when we talk about greener solutions, people talk about batteries, because you can generate power in any form, but for a storage purpose you need to have energy storage devices. We are a spin-off from NTU. So when we started this venture, we developed a lab scale prototype. That time we had a limited resources. So with limited resources and academic license, we were able to only do specific jobs. But once we had the commercial license from CADVision systems, then we got to explore further applications, like what are the part or what are the application area that we can further utilize, not only in designing, simulation, as well as for our manufacturing production improvements. When we had to go for production stage, then we converted this license from entrepreneurship to commercial license, and then they actually helped us even during the COVID period when we were unable to come to office. They helped us to remotely do all our SolidWorks requirement in terms of data management or migration of data from one server to another server and all those things. That, I mean, it was really helpful. I'm really satisfied with CADVision systems, because I mean, as a customer, whatever you need, if they are there to help you with, whether you are working from home or whether you are available in office, whether you have any data management issue or whether you have any training requirement, whether you have any specific requirement that they can understand well and then customize the product accordingly. So they were there in all up and downs, and they were really available whenever we were in the need of.